Hi friends, my name is Dhvanesha. Now today I will show you that how to download the Animate CC Classic version 2018. Okay, so see this, listen carefully first. Okay, I will share it first. Go to Windows, go to search, or you go to Google or Microsoft Edge to do it. Okay. First, I will go to search and search it as how to download Animate CC, Animate CC 2018 for free. Okay, which you use 2018 version. Okay, when you have, so don't worry. But when you have to download it, so you download from Google or web and see there are lots of links here. Okay, first I will use it is in third generation C++, action script, javascript, hex and python. Okay, or you search it as free download animate CC 2018. Okay, and you use this link. Okay, Adobe Character Animate CC 2018 free download. It's okay. How to download it for free? Okay, it is not in paid in use. It is free for use. Okay, you can download it like this. Now you use like this. Before installing software, you must watch the installation guide video. To do this, download the full setup, or you close this, and how to install the software, you see this video, and you will see this video so that you will download it like this. Setup 2018. Now see this. You first download the video for to guide. Now you go here. Okay, it is like this. Okay, turn off your internet, otherwise software will not be activated. Turn off Windows Defender real-time section in Windows 10. The method is different. To turn off Windows Defender, you can search Defender in Start menu. Okay, I will search it. Okay, here is the Defender. Okay, you use no internet and you manage settings like this. Close this. Okay, it is waiting for resource. Okay, in this, what is it is showing? Here, go here. Okay, and download this. Okay, so that follow these steps here. Okay, you have seen this video here. Okay, I will post it in the Word document here. Blank document. I will post the link of this. Okay, Animate CC 2018 free download it. Okay, I will close. Again, I will open, or I will go Windows Control Z. No. How to download Animate CC? It okay for free. Where is that link? This is the link. I will post it here in Word document. Click on cross and click on save it as any file, as I will use as Animate CC download file. Save. Okay, it will take some time. Then you close it. Okay, and see in okay. Okay, I think you have done this. Now see it in description. Okay, that link is there, and click on link. Do it in watch in mobile and turn off the internet because when you will not switch on, so it will be some error. Okay, so that you can download the free version Animate CC like this. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.